Hello, it's Helen here. Let's make the cheesy potato pancakes together. If you like stringy cheese and chewy potatoes, I bet it will be one of your favorite dishes. Cut potatoes into smaller cubes. It will help to steam them quicker. Boil the water. Steam around 15 minutes. It's cooked when the fork can enter the pot with little resistance. Add salt and sugar. Smash the potatoes. Add the whisked egg. Smash continuously for a smooth and condensed form. Remember to wear a glove or spray your hands with oil to avoid stiffness. Add the sticky rice flour separately for at least 3 times. The dough is too dry and form clumps. Add milk slowly for multiple times to adjust consistency. You can add the amount based on how dry the dough is. Once you get a firm potato dough without white flour, you should stop adding the milk. Microwave the cheese for 20 seconds. It's easier to form a cheese ball with the warm cheese. Each will be around 25 grams. Make a round potato wrappers with your dough. The wrapper will be around 40 grams and bigger than the cheese ball. Put in the cheese ball. Use your thumb and index finger to form the potato ball. Press with your palm to form the cheesy potato pancakes. You can make 8 to 10 of them. Glaze the oil on the pan. Put all of them in. Make sure each pancakes get contact with the oil. Use the medium heat, glaze them to the brown color of both sides. It takes around 1 minute for each side. Here is your cheesy potato pancakes. The combination of chewiness and creaminess will make you so satisfied. Dip with your favorite sauce to enjoy it. Please subscribe to the channel for more food recipes.